I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we have few questions to solve using square roots. So this is a practice video for you. I'll show you solution of couple of questions, rest are for you to practice. The question is, solve each equation, express the roots in exact form and in approximate form to two decimal places where necessary, right? So whenever you have a square equation, a quadratic equation, square root helps us to find the solution. For example, the very first one is x squared equals to 4. To find the solution, we can do square root, right? So x could be written as square root of 4. Now, important thing here to understand is, whenever you square root, you should also take both signs, plus and minus. I hope you can see for yourself that 2 square, I know, is 4, right? But minus 2 square is also equal to 4, right? So x square, whenever you square root, you should write both the signs. Otherwise, you will not get all the solutions, right? At times, once you can miss this, then it will be incorrect. So now the answer is square root of 4 is 2. So we could write this as plus minus 2. So that becomes the exact solution to the given equation, right? So we do not have to write it in decimals. That's the exact value. You can do this one following these steps. Let me show you part C now, which is 2x squared minus 8 equals to 0. In this case, what we can do is we can rearrange the equation. So we get 2x squared equals to 8. Then we can divide by 2, right? So we have x squared equals to 8 divided by 2, which is indeed 4, and now we can square root it, so we get x equals to plus minus, as we did here, of 4, so we get the answer as plus minus 2, right? So you could rearrange, divide and get, but please don't forget to write plus and minus. Both are very important, right? Now let's take up another example. So let me do the last one here, and these are for you to practice. It is 2x squared minus 10 equals to 0. We'll follow exactly the same steps. It could be written as 2x squared equals to 10, x squared equals to 10 divided by 2, which is indeed 5, and x should be equals to plus minus, write this first, and then square root of 5. So that becomes the exact solution. The approximate solution is, use calculator, square root of 5 is equals to, in decimals, we can write this as plus minus. We need to round to two decimal places. 2.236 could be written as 2.24, right? So that becomes your solution, correct? So likewise, you can do rest of the questions and practice how to solve quadratic equation using square roots. Thank you and all the best.